Good afternoon, brother, sister, lady, gentlemen. It's me, Dr. Toure, resident in Malaysia at Kelantan region, University Kelantan, Malaysia. My expertise is political science and security study. Doctor of Philosophy at University Kelantan, Malaysia. Today we are going to discover and debate the monarchy electoral system. What is regarding monarchy electoral system? The monarchy electoral system is focalizing on the majoritarian. The majority will rule the political institution. The monarchy electoral system is focusing the organization of the political party or the political leader to make to rule these function what we call a political leader, and a political function the ruler to enter to be representative part. In terms of democratization have different participation. Democracy have three participation. The first participation, democracy representative, that is one of democratic electoral system. The second part, democracy representative, and democracy participation. Democracy representative is another part of democracy, and democracy participation, and democracy and democracy uh, electoral, democracy election. Democracy election is another part of democracy. The democracy participation, the most of the democracy mean that is open-ended. That means the part of all the population, all the individual, every individual can participate, can be candidate, can allow to present their candidature, whether you are from any background. They call democracy representative or democracy participation. But democracy representative is one of another method where the majority, where the quality of leader, those who represent the population, to go to engage the public need, the public desire, the public need, those who will represent and the election to make the decision for the people. Democracy rule is by the people, and the people will decide what is the rule and what the need of these people. So those leaders who will come enter the office, their role, how to satisfy these population, these people who going to vote for them, these people who believe in the quality of leadership, and what they're going to what they're going to give the solution to solve the population problem. But in democratic participation or electoral system, the majority, the political who have majority, who win and the majority, he will enter the office to get the power and rule the particular nation or the particular country. What is the mean to this political system or this leader they can win? One, the democracy representative or democracy participation or the democracy electoral, they have different role. Democracy to apply the single authority rule is another part of democracy. Democracy majoritarian is another part of democracy. Democracy coalition. Democracy coalition is another part of democracy. That's why it's depending on the regime. What kind of regime? What kind of regime is ruling? At what kind of political system is controlling this particular nation or this particular country? The political system is something very important in the way to choosing the leadership quality. The leadership quality and the leadership perfection and leadership performance and leadership function and the leadership quality, they are part of the system and the regime. The political regime is very important. But what makes this one, all this political system, the majoritarian rule or the representative rule or the participation rule? But in terms of this part, the coalition rule, democracy coalition rule, is different from democracy representative rule. Democracy representative rule is different from democracy single authority rule. The single authority rule will be applied by the qualified leader who will take over to rule this particular nation. That is depending the electoral system to get to be win in any electoral system. The majority is 55% or 52% or 60% of the vote. You must hold that so that you can be elected any post in a particular country. The majority you have to get it 52% or 53, 4, 5% or 60 something percent. It depends. Then that one you will not get any contest by other leader. Then you can get into the political office. You can be potential leader to rule this country. But all this political way, the electoral system to make this system to give the performance is only electoral system reform. The electoral system reform, most of country, their stability is depending the electoral system reform. If the electoral system reform is not to compromise the quality and the performance of the leader, it's difficult this particular nation can get the stability. Because why? And the political representative, when most of party will participate in this democratization, and most of this party, they cannot win, even if they cannot 0% to get electoral, or even 1%. On this, all the political party, they are going to get sponsor, they are going to get to take the loan, to take the debt, to conquer the money from different sources and come to participate this electoral. If they participate this electoral, then they not get the office. They will reject the result of the electoral system. That's why the electoral system reform It is normal for every country where the political participation or the political electoral system is only the way to protect the nation and to protect this country's stability. The electoral function is the way to prevent conflict. All the ethnic conflict, the religious conflict, the another insecurity, all is ongoing on the electoral system reform. The electoral system reform is something very specialized, very adequate position to make the stability, to prevent the conflict. Why some countries are in the trouble, some countries are not in the trouble, it depending the form of the electoral system reform. The electoral system reform is depending, and some countries, if you take if you take democracy, if you take democracy system, apply one authority to be a democracy system, that means in that country, the system that is the new system is the system where the country, the electoral system allow the government to sponsor all the political party. That means that system will be applied for one individual role. Because to rule the country have different system. One individual rule, one single political power rule, one single political power rule is another system where you can introduce and the political and the electoral system reform. This is me, Dr. Ture, resident Malaysia at the Kelantan region, University Kelantan, Malaysia. The electoral system reform is the power of a political party, is the power of a political party organization, is the power of the political leader capacity and function and their performance. That's why the leadership role is very important and the particular domain. That's why the political system, depending every country, the stability or the insecurity is depending on the political electoral system reform. The electoral system reform is only the way to prevent the ethnic conflict, to prevent religious conflict, to prevent another economic disaster. Or because all these components is going to the dissatisfaction on the population, dissatisfaction on the people going to be take part of the electoral system. That's why, and the one single authority applying the system of one single individual rule, sometimes is very important. Sometimes the good stability for any particular country, applying one system, one individual role, one individual role in the country is the good system, what will make the good perfection electoral system reform. Electoral system reform, when the authority will take the action to supervise all the political leaders and give the financial institution, allow them to support all these political parties to avoid ethnic conflict, religious conflict, and another tribal or another situation can be critical in the country. That's why that system will apply one individual role that will contribute to financial system for all these political parties, but they will be under the role one individual role, one individual, one political system, one political party will be ruling this particular nation. But in democracy and democratic participation, the majority of the political party will participate in the election, but all cannot get the power. So the government or or the institution or external will involve most of a political democracy participation. The external people will involve supporting, give the financial support in terms of from different NGO, different economic source, different non-governmental organization can be supporting those political party, political leader to take the power, to enter the office. So these people can be sponsoring by other institutions. That's why the stability of the nation is depending electoral system reform. The electoral system reform is something very important, and stability and control of the monarchy and control of the political stability and the region. And another democratic participation. Democratic participation is mean that one group of individuals will be ruling this country, will be taking the power and make all the components for the resources and order